Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a select field in Forminator forms in WordPress. So let's get started. Firstly, hover over the Forminator and click on Forms in the sidebar. This is the Forminator Forms window. Here you can create a new form or else you can edit the existing form. In my case, I will create a new form. Here in the pop-up, select the template as per your requirements. I will select a blank template. Now here we need to give our form a name. Now you can see this is the form builder area. To add the select field here, simply click on Insert Fields. Now we need to select the select field and click on Insert Fields. Now in the pop-up, you can configure the field settings. You can select the type from here. You can also enter the placeholder text. Here you can edit the label name or mention the field description if any. Now on scrolling, you can edit the options here. To add an option, you simply need to click on Add Option and name it as per your need. Under the Settings tab, you can simply make this field mandatory or optional as per your requirements. You can also display the search box as per your need. You can also limit submissions. Once everything is in place, we simply need to click on Apply button. It's now time to publish the form, so simply click on Publish button. Now let's preview the form. You can see we have successfully added the select field in Forminator forms, and this is how it works. So this is all about how to add the select field in Forminator forms in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.